software. First you go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode, and here type limits and say enter, specify lower left corner 0, 0 and type 297, 210 and say enter. Then zoom on. Then go to line. First you select the lower left corner of the AutoCAD screen and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side and click on first button of the mouse, and again take the cursor to the top side and click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select object to offset, select the vertical line and offset to the left side, and again go to offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and then zoom 0.6x and go to fillet between this line and this line, and again take fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Then take horizontal line and this vertical line. Then go to zoom window, then go to dtext, specify start point of text, select this height, specify height as 4, the rotation angle is 0, type 132 problem. Then go to a circular lamina inclined to the VP appears in the front view as an ellipse of major axis 30 mm and minor axis 15 mm. The major axis is parallel to both HP and VP. One end of the minor axis is in both the HP and VP. Draw the projections of the lamina and determine the inclination of the lamina with VP. And go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to layer, switch on the create layer XY and also create the layer views. Then go to line weight default of the layer 0, set it as 0.05, and again layer XY, set the line weight of layer XY as 0.13 and say OK. Set the layer line weight of views and make it 0.5. Then say OK and then close it. Now we go for a circle command. Draw a circle of diameter 30 mm. Then go to zoom window, then go to line, quadrant of this and quadrant of this. Then go to array, select objects, select this, takes polar, center point of array, center of this. So then take items, I, take 12. Once you get this, then exit. Then go to zoom previous, then you go to line, draw a horizontal line, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take intersection of this and perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this, take perpendicular to this, then go to line, intersection of this and perpendicular to this, and then go to line, intersection of this, take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then here fillet between these two. Then select this line and select this circle, go to CH and go to layer, make this as views. Then you just break, select this fit point, first point X, then you select F, first point, intersection of this. Then go to mirror, mirror this, mirror, select this and also select this and mirror with reference to this line. Then now we just click on this. So now we just go to line weight display. Once you get this, Now you erase this. Then go to explode this and say erase this, and also erase this. Now we need to go for the second position. So to do that, so first we'll go for zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, and take a line int of this and draw one more horizontal line, and then go to line, take nearest point on this, take perpendicular to this, and then go to offset, take the distance as 15 mm. So you select this and then fillet between these two. Then you just go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, and take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to offset, take the distance as 7.5. Then you just go to here, you first take this distance between these two. It will going to be the diameter of this, which will going to be 30. Then go to circle, take int of this and draw a circle of radius 30 mm, and go to extend this line till here. Then go to break, select this and break this here, and select this and break this here. Now we need to copy this. So take copy, select this and take endpoint of this and take endpoint of this. Then go to rotate this. So here base point, take int, then go to reference angle as 0, take the new position angle as intersection of this. Then go to line, take endpoint of this. So you draw the vertical line, take int of this. So now go to intersection of, go to trim between these two, trim this line and also this line, and then go to line, take intersection of this and to take intersection of this, and which are these two lines, take endpoint of this and draw this line. Similarly line end of this and take this. Then go to trim between these two, and then trim between these two. Now then go to line, take endpoint of this, and here you take endpoint of this and draw this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then go to trim this line till here. Then go to ellipse, go to axis endpoint of ellipse, intersection of this and int of this, and take intersection point of this line. Then go to select, go to layer, click on this, click on views. Now we need to draw this. So to do that, so go to break, first point, take int of this and say at the rate, and go to break, first point, int of this and at the rate, break first point, int of this and at the rate, break first point, int of this and say at the rate, break first point, int of this and say at the rate. Similarly break first point, int of this and at the rate, break first point, int of this and say at the rate, break first point, int of this and say at the rate, and break first point, int of this and say at the rate. Now we go for group command, select this entire thing and group it. Now we go for zoom previous and go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line. Similarly line int of this and drag this on this side. Then you just go to copy, select this and copy to the, so here you just ungroup this. Then go to break, select this line, first point, int of this and say at the rate. Now we go for group command, group this entire drawing and say OK. Then go to copy this to next position, and then go to rotate this and take intersection point of this, rotation angle as 90 degrees, and then go to move, select this, move point int of this and take nearest point on move, take int of this and take nearest point on this side here. Then go to line, take int of this, so int of this, you take this point, and here you take int of this and drag this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this, take line, int of this line and drag this, and take int of this and drag this. Now since we are rotating like this, so here I will take line end point of this, and then go to line int of this and drag this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to trim, select this and fillet this. Then go to line, take int of this and take int of this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then similarly take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this, and then go to line, take int of this and perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Now we need to create the drawing. So now join the line intersection of this, int of this, then int of this, then int of this, intersection of this, int of this line, then int of these two, then int of these two, then intersection of this, then int of this, then intersection of this, and then int of this, and then say close. Then go to zoom window, then go to P edit, polyline editing, select this, join, so N J. Now you select this, all these entities and say enter and save. Then go to P edit, select this, fit the curve, then go to select and exit. Then you select this line curve, go to layer, click on views, then go to zoom previous, then zoom previous, then you just move this entire drawing to the right side. Then similarly you just click on this and click on this, and you get to the layer and say XY and save. Then go to break this line till here and go to D texture, you type X and you type VP, you type HP, you type Y, and here you type A dash, small a dash, then D dash, G dash and K dash, and similarly A, D, G and K. Then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, move, place it here, similarly VP and similarly HP. Then go to A dash and place it here, D dash and G dash and K dash. Similarly A, then D, then G, then K. Now we want to go to copy, select A and you select G and then D, then K. Then go to A dash, copy A dash, then D dash, then G dash, then K dash. And similarly, you take A dash, then D dash, then G dash, then K dash. Then here D text, here you type A, you type D, you type G, and you type K. Then go to move, select this, move it here, and D, and then G, and then K. Then close this. Now you go to DDIM, go to modify, primary units, make it 0, text, take it 4, aligned, above, take it 3, then go to symbols and arrow size, you make it 4, and the lines, you take it 3, and say OK, then say close. Then dim vertical, take intersection part of this, and take int of this, and take this as, go to text, type %C 30 mm diameter, then click it. Then go to dim angular, you select between these two, so this shall be having 60 degrees. Then go to text, give space, enter, so you get this. Then dim horizontal, you take intersection of this and intersection of this, and you will get 15. And then so here you are going to get this. Once you have this, now we have this. So now you just go to M text, just go to MT, select this box, and go to symbol, select this symbol, and here type 5 and enter. Then go to move, select this and place it here. Then go to zoom previous and go to D text and type answer, and here line, draw a horizontal line, put on the ortho mode, take zoom window, then go to D text, type 60 degrees, and go to move, switch on the ortho mode, and go to offset, take the distance as 7, and then go to copy this and keep it here. Then go to line nearest on this and take perpendicular to this, and similarly line nearest on this and take perpendicular to this, and go to fillet between these two, fillet between these two, and fillet between these two, then move and keep it here. Then go to zoom previous and then go to save and go to appropriate drive, AutoCAD, lamina drawing, and say P132 and save it. Then finally